How to earn rewards on Aquarius. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and in this video we will explore different ways to earn rewards on Aquarius, which is actually an liquidity layer of Stellar. After logging into your account on Aqua network, just go to the rewards, and over here you will be able to see that there are around 7 million Aqua rewards being given out on daily basis, and you can just simply earn them using SDEX rewards or AMM rewards. And if you want to participate in the AMM rewards of any of the pair, just choose any of the pair that you want to participate in, but make sure that you are quite careful while choosing these pairs, as there are some pairs which are absolutely rubbish and are of no use at all. They are just there to scam you out, so be careful of all these scams over here. So just choose any of the pair. Suppose we want to go with the XLM and USDC pair, and we want to participate in automated market maker rewards. So we will just go to the Stellar X. You can just log into a Stellar X account, and after getting into the account, just click on this option of AMM. And now you will be able to find the option of liquidity. Just click on it, then scroll down and click on add liquidity. Now you need to select XLM and USDT, since we want to participate in XLM and USDT rewards. So we will just select XLM and USDT over here, USDC over here, and then type the amount that we want to put into this particular liquidity, and after that just click on add liquidity. And you will be using your Lobster account to accept these transactions, and this way you would be able to participate in the AMM rewards. So this is how you participate in AMM, but for SDEX you just have to put orders on the market, and the rewards will depend on the closeness of your order to the market price and also the amount of order that you are putting. So suppose your order is bigger than rest of the orders in the market, and also your order is closer to the market price, you will earn more rewards per hour than anyone else on that particular pair. But both of these methods also have their negatives. Like in AMM rewards, you get the impermanent loss situation where you lose out a huge money. If you don't know how to do it properly, you can lose a big chunk of your capital. So just know about it, what it is, and after that participate in it. And in case of SDEX rewards, if you choose a wrong pair, you might end up losing whole of your capital in no time. So just be careful while choosing the pairs for the rewards. And one of the other way is that you can go to the bribes section and check the current bribes in the market. So these are the pairs which are giving out bribes. All you have to do is just vote for these pairs and you would be getting bribes in return. But these bribes are paid out per day instead of per hour like the AMM or SDEX rewards. So just go to the voting section over here, and in the voting section just go to the with bribes section, and in the with bribes section you can check the price or the bribe per day for 1000 aqua or ice that you are going to vote. So this way you would be able to check the pair with the highest bribes and vote for that particular pair by just clicking on this option of add to vote. So these are some ways you can use to earn rewards on Aquarius. And if you still need any help, you can always comment down below. I will be happy to help you. And in case if you want consultancy from me, because I have been farming rewards on Aquarius since the Aquarius came into existence, I know exactly what pairs give more rewards and some other strategies to safeguard me and keep my risk low. So in case if you want any consultancy, then you can just simply email me on my email and also comment me. I will be able to reply you and see how it goes, and you can pay me in XLM. So that was all about it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.